Hi beauties, welcome back and welcome to week 1 of Vlogmas. Oh my gosh. I have Keenan on the phone and I can hear him in my AirPod. And every time I film the intro, he just goes, "Give me my money," on my headphone. Just give me my money. But anyway, this is year 4 of Vlogmas, I believe. But we're doing it a bit different this year. In the prior years, I would do 12 days of Vlogmas and I would start posting on like the 12th or the 13th of December up to Christmas every single day of vlog. But I feel like filming and uploading every single day is just a lot, not only for me, but it's a lot for you guys too, to have to digest all of that, and it's a lot of content. Every other creator is doing that too. It's just a lot for people to have to keep up with and catch up with. So I thought for this month and for Vlogmas, we're gonna do our regular weekly videos, but they're gonna be Christmas themed, Vlogmas themed. We'll find our ways to make it special, but I feel like that's a much better way to do Vlogmas. I did start a new job at the beginning of this last week, so I did put doing social media and filming slightly on the back burner just while I get acclimated to this new job. But now, hopefully you guys like the regular weekly vlogs, Vlogmas themed, and it's a little bit easier to digest because I know there's just so much content that we all want to watch, myself included. I have my favorite creators that I want to watch, so I think this is a better way to do it, but you guys will just have to let me know your feedback. Anyway, welcome to Vlogmas week 1. I have some really exciting things for us to do today and I can't wait to get into it, so let's go.
No cheesecake.
Okay, we got our drinks. We have the Christmas cup. How's yours? What did you get?
It's good. I have hot chocolate.
Oh, nice. Did you get, did they have peppermint hot chocolate?
No.
Here?
I don't know. Maybe that's on the, well, it isn't on the menu, but they have like a secret menu.
Okay.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it's on there.
Whoa, this tastes so different then. I got my usual like iced white chocolate with sweet cream foam and extra caramel drizzle. It tastes so different.
Do you like it better here than in the States?
No.
You like the States? Is it sweeter
but I
in
think,
the States?
yeah, that's what I was gonna say. In the States, it's much more of like a dessert. Wait, let me see. But it's also like a really popular drink, I think. Oh, whoa, she actually like made it well. Caramel's in there. But on the menu here, there isn't, oh, we're in Amsterdam, by the way. I don't think I introed that in the video. For anyone new here, I'm Melissa. I just moved here a few months ago from America to Amsterdam. There's your recap. I've been adventuring and experiencing things in Amsterdam. They don't have the Christmas menu like they do in the States.
No, we only get the Christmas cups.
Yeah. These are cute Christmas cups though.
Well, we do have like, I don't know if it was a latte, but we do have like stroopwafel latte.
Whoa, and they don't have that.
Yeah, and gingerbread man lattes and stuff. But we have the stroopwafel stuff.
Okay, I should try that soon.
Yeah, we can get it.
That sounds good. A little stroopwafel.
Nothing beats stroopwafel.
Oh my gosh. Or spekkoek. I've been obsessed with spekkoek.
Yeah, you've been eating it a lot.
And which I do want to make. Maybe I'll make it.
That will be a fun video.
Yeah, true. I've only done a video, I think, making kruidnoten. Wait, say it?
Kruidnoten.
Kruidnoten.
Yeah, that's
better.
Yeah.
I'm still struggling with saying that word. You can go back 3 Vlogmases ago, 3-4 years ago, and I was making it in the kitchen with my mom and I could not say the name right. Because I said, how do I say it? Like, oh?
Yeah.
But you're supposed to say, oh. Guys, Vlogmas is even more special because my birthday's on Christmas. So, is it Vlogmas or is it leading up to Alyssa's birthday, miss?
That's a long title instead of Vlogmas.
Vlogmas, leading up to Alyssa's birthday, miss.
Yeah. This year will be, I think, a cozy Christmas.
Cozy Christmas. It's a fun new angle of being in Amsterdam for Christmas because I was always normally in Oregon.
Yeah. You should go to the Light Festival in Amsterdam.
Oh. Do you think that'd be a fun little double date thing we could do? Would you be down?
I wanted to go there with Dennis, so we can go with the 4 of us.
That'd be fun.
Yeah.
Oh, yay.
That would be fun.
That would be really cool. Okay, we're back now, and I have one more thing on my to-do list that I want to go do, and that is make a Christmas box for my family at home to ship home to them. So they already sent me a list of things that they want, so now I'm just gonna go to the store and pick it out. We're gonna go make a brrr box, I guess. A brrr box to send to my family. Little Christmas box. Some of the stuff that's on the list they don't have here, so I might have to go to a different place. I have a pretty full cart of really good snacks, so this might just be run number 1 before we actually finish the box and send it off, since it's missing some of the stuff that was like requested. I'm not sure how biking home is gonna go because I have this ginormous bag. It won't even fit in my basket, so wish me luck that I don't tip over. Back from the grocery store and doing the brrr box, at least the food portion of it. We were mostly successful. There's a few things we're missing that I'm probably gonna have to go to a different store to get, but I had Christmas music playing on my headphone the whole time that I was in there, so it actually felt very Christmassy and like a Christmas moment. They had like a tree up and some decorations, so it did feel very Christmassy. When I go to work, I have to get up at 5 a.m. so a lot of the times I'm like, I'm not gonna like go downstairs, rush around, make a breakfast, like do all that. I'm trying to make my mornings as easy as possible, but I also don't think that stopping and like picking up breakfast is sustainable at all. Like every single day, if I'm going and picking up breakfast and lunch, I just feel like that's not sustainable, nor does that like feel right to my body. And every time I think about the time that I felt the healthiest and happiest and had the most energy, I think about a few summers ago when I had chia pudding with granola and fruit for breakfast every morning and a Celsius, which I don't think that having a Celsius every day is healthy either, but I think it was like that extra kick of energy in the morning that I needed. While I was at the store, I got all this stuff to make chia pudding and little like Tupperware containers to put it in, so that way I can meal prep that, and some fruit, and I got some granola, so then all I have to do in the morning is go downstairs, grab the chia pudding, put some fruit and some granola on top of it, and I'm out the door, and then I can eat it on the way to work because I have 2 hours to travel before I get to work every morning. So I just think that that's more sustainable. I cannot even explain the wonders that having chia pudding every day does for you. Like, I toned up in I looked so healthy, and my stomach looked so toned and healthy, and I could just feel it. I mentally felt better. I felt sharper. I had more energy. I just was providing my body with the proper nutrients. I was like, you know what, I think it's time to go back into my chia pudding craze, because I really felt so good when I had it every day. One of the fun things about making your own chia pudding from home is that you can make it so many different variations. Like, I remember one time I made strawberry shortcake chia pudding, and it was so good. And then you can also make like peppermint gingerbread, whatever. Like, you can make it any type of way you want. So if you want to make it a little more Christmassy, you can totally do that. You can make it a bunch of different ways, so I think it's a good thing in the house because you won't get bored of it, because you can change it up, and it's so good for you. I feel so good because now I feel prepped for tomorrow, but there's a few things that I still want to do because I'm about to hop in the shower, I put this Christina's, I think I literally talk about this every video. I put this Christina's scalp and hair milk oil in, and it actually makes my hair so incredibly soft and feels so healthy. I've also been putting in the Coco and Eve Miracle Hair Elixir after I get out of the shower, and it also has heat protectant, but this has also made my hair so soft and silky and glossy looking. So I'm gonna put some of this oil on the rest of my hair and let that sit for a few minutes so that I can go to bed tonight and be like fully prepared for my day tomorrow. I also have been using these socks to do heatless curls overnight, and the first time I tried it, it didn't really work that well. Then I tried it the second time and I really figured out how to like properly do it. So now I love it because, like I said, there's just no way at 5 a.m. I'm gonna get up even earlier than that to curl my hair. So I just do the overnight heated curls. They literally take 2 seconds. They look so good, and it's so much better for my hair because then my hair isn't struggling with like heat damage. So I'm loving that hack right now. I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit and then I'm gonna shower and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm out of the shower now. I'm in my red Christmas Skims pajamas that we wore last Christmas. Me and my mom always match Christmas pajamas. Wait, this is the first year I'm not gonna have matching Christmas pajamas with my mom. Wait, that's so sad. Okay, well, I hate that. Anyway, I just showered, put a little bit of the self tanner on my face and like neck and chest so it like balances out. And I have to get up early tomorrow to go to work, so I'm gonna start winding down a little bit for the night. And I think the Sabrina Carpenter Christmas special just came out today, so I feel like that's the perfect thing to watch to wind down, get in the Christmas spirit. So let's do that. But happy Vlogmas week 1. I know that this video was much more chill than the further ones will be. I hope you guys can cut me some slack this week because this week was just a lot. It's really stressful starting a new job, and so I was just really trying to take my time with that, give myself some grace, and I knew I would catch up with Vlogmas. So the next Vlogmas videos are going to be amazing. I'm super excited to film it. I do have some fun Christmas things planned with friends that I'm going to bring you guys along for that will help us get in the Christmas spirit. But I love you guys, and thank you guys for watching this Vlogmas 1, and I will see you guys next week for another weekly Vlogmas. Bye, beauties.